cancellation also will come. Okay, so I will go to the order. See, technically confirm, CNF, technically completed, CNF, and notification. So notification, no, it's completed. Oh. So plan maintenance, all activity will be completed. So again, this order will have some cost. Okay, right now we have not added any material, anything, but still there will be some people cost. If material we process material cost. So there is one T code. So FICO team will perform that activity. But for trading purpose, I will show you. That's TGI2. So this settlement overhead actual cost calculation. So that cost will be calculated here. Okay, so see, this is the order inspection. This is the May 2021 controlling area and overhead calculation. So overhead calculated. This cost has been calculated. Okay, so we calculated the cost. Then the one more report which FICO will perform, session KO88. So they will settle our cost with that fiscal year with settlement period. So you need to remove this test run because we need to directly settle the cost. Okay, enter the sender. Either the sender is already settled or nothing to settle. Okay, no issue. Okay. 187. Okay, it's telling it's already settled or nothing to settle. Means no cost is there, so it's asking nothing to settle. Everything is okay. So /IW30. Last activity of the order is business closing. Complete business. I will complete the business. Complete business. So here you will see. Okay, notification completed can be. Okay, we got one error. Let me see. /KGI2. Okay, settled, overhead calculated, no error. Okay, T4 ETA. Okay, I will do first test run. Okay, either the sender already settled or nothing to settle. Okay, /IW32. Some finance activity has not integrated with this, but no issue. Let me try. Okay, log. Okay, unprocessed future change request. Okay, prevent flag. Okay, unprocessed future change. Okay, so what are the unprocessed futures? So it's telling automatic good receipt, backslashing, calculation, actual cost, and data transfer to HR. Okay, so data transfer to HR means there will be some issue with this data transfer calculation to hours. Okay, so we can do one thing. Let me, yes, order still technically completed. /IW43. So I will see the confirmation. Basically what happens, these are the confirmation. So we are getting the issue with the hours. Okay. Sorry, HR means I think HRMS module. I need to check just a moment. /IW45. Okay, enter. Yes, I will cancel the confirmation. Let me go back. So here I can cancel the confirmation. Let me that person number. Okay, might be due to that person number, it's not added to HRMS. Might be. Basically, we are not doing any costing related activity.
Okay.
So 60 kg I2 and Q8. I will update here. That two tickets will be performed by kg I2 and Q8 by FICO. Let me check if this system is allow us KO 88 to us. It's okay. Otherwise, still TECO, we are good. Okay, reason for cancellation. I will cancel let me, I will cancel one by one. Allow. So if anybody has entered the confirmation wrongly, then system will allow to cancel via T code IW45. So you can cancel the confirmation. So in my case, what I am thinking, the HRMS, this person having not updated his costing value in HRMS model. So I might be getting issue. I am not sure. So I will just cancel the confirmation and I will try. Okay, save. Okay, slash IW32. Okay, complete business. Save. Okay, okay. So still the system is not allowed me. Log. Okay. Okay. Automatic good costing, batching, calculation of actual cost, transfer data to information process, predetermined process. Okay, no issue. Till we are good. Basically, in the background, what happens we don't know regarding costing. Or some more thing. We have actual cost calculation. Okay. Okay. 555. Okay. So error records. This is the error records where actual cost calculation. Okay. Master record exists only. Okay. So there is no master record updated. So this is FICOT code. Okay, COFC. So if I attempt to update master record, then only the cost, actual cost will be calculated. Okay. So till echo, we are good. No issue. Slash IW32. Till echo, we are good. No issue. Okay. So we have run the scenario of M1 notification with PM02 order type. So we will proceed for breakdown notification. Slash IW21. Here will be M2 malfunction report. Enter. So here will be my machine has in the breakdown. So I will say dash my equipment. Enter. Okay. And I will mention that machine is not working. So at this moment, this notification mostly created by production person. So he don't know. He just maintain machine is not working and nothing. He can activate the breakdown checkbox. Okay. Reference object priority will be very high. Okay. Yes. They want within a 1 day to clear everything, and they will just save the notification. So this notification will come to maintenance department. Maintenance person will go to the machine and he will check. Okay. So what happens? He will analyze and he will start his work. Okay. So notification created. Okay. So there are two options. So /n IW22. He will go to the change mode of notification and he will create the order. This is one option. See, normally what happens? There will be lots of notifications which will come to maintenance department. They will not go each and every notification. There is one equal /n IW29. So here every morning maintenance person will execute this ticket IW29 or 28 and they will update the date and they will update their plan. Okay. So what is our plan? 1000. So equipment, plant, everything they will update. Planning plan. Okay, I will update 1000. Maintenance plan. Maintenance plan. Okay. So all notification will be displayed. So here change mode. So system will show me in change mode. I will just double click. I will go and I can create the order type. Okay. Again, for here totally business decision. They want PMO2 or PMO1. Whatever should be assigned to the notification. Or you can create the new order type as per business requirement. So in some of the next session, we will see how we can create new order type. Okay, so operation. Again, in operation, this is the breakdown. So let me go. Okay, one moment. Order header we have operated in there. Okay. In operation, we can say. So what is the issue? We can here what action we need to perform. So basically, first action will be open. We need to open the end cover. Okay. Then we need to remove the failure. Means whatever the action we will update here. Failure bearing. If we found bearing has been failed, our action plan, remove the gasket. Same as a task list. Remove the gasket. And okay. Now we can replace the we can remove the gasket, replace the bearing. Whatever the activity you will perform, you just need to update a situation. Okay, replace the new bearing. Replace the gasket. Okay. And assemble the end cover. So hours it will be again different. I will update just 1 hour. Okay. Now to replace the bearing. Okay, remove the bearing. To replace the bearing, you need component. Correct? So just you need to select this and you need to go to the component tab. Okay, component. So what component you require? So again, it's stock or non-stock.